Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn Chapter 4, Chapter 6, Part 3. Part 3. We have seen in the previous class that Birbal was very clever, wise man, and very patiently he used to deal with his people who came for advice to him. From far away, people came for advice because he was very intelligent and he used to listen the problem and solve the problem very patiently. And people were satisfied with his answers. So once it happened that trader came. Trader told his problem that his spices are robbed, and he asked, bring that all your helpers. Trader was happy because he had brought along with him all the traders. So he said that they are outside standing. Birbal sent his guards to call these people, and helpers came there. Birbal asked them how the spices are lost. They said, we have not taken. But Birbal knew among these four only there are. Someone is there who is taking. But how to find that exactly he told. So he gave them 4 sticks each one. See here in the picture. Birbal is giving them, all 4 are standing here. This is the trader, here Birbal, and he gave all 4 of them one stick. Here, can you see? He gave everyone one stick, telling that this stick you take and go with you. And he said, the rover's stick may grow 2 inches extra. Who is rover, we will find out. At night it may grow 2 inches. At night it will grow. And said, all of them went peacefully. This all trader could not understand. It was out of his mind. But still he said, thank you, Birbal. And he thanked with grateful heart, and he also went. Next day, all of them once again came to Birbal. Where did they come? To Birbal. They reached to Birbal. And he asked them, show your sticks. All of them came back again. Here is the trader. Birbal is here. Akbar is here. And they came to the Akbar's emperor's court. And he asked them to show your sticks. He asked them to show your sticks. He took all the sticks. And see here, these all 3 of them stick is same. This fellow's stick is short. This fellow's stick. See here what magic happened, how it became short. You should understand. These sticks 4 he gave identical, all same size. He told that rover's stick will grow 2 inches extra. But what happened? Will the stick will grow? No. Stick did not grow, and this rover was real fool. He did not see what is the strength and length, what is the height, what is the breadth. But what happened? Morning he got up and he cut his stick 2 inches. Cut it away. Now this stick became small. He thought my stick is equal. But when he reached the court, Now he has cut the 2 inches, thinking that it was grown and I have cut it. Now it will be equal size. But what happened? Next day they reached to the court, and there Birbal asked to show everyone a stick. He took all the 4 sticks and he found 3 sticks are same size, 1 stick is small. How it happened? What happened? How it is possible? I gave same size and now it is small. How it is possible? And he asked to the man. Then he said, I don't know. Then last he said, he is the thief. He announces there that this man is thief. And every people were wondering in the court. Even the emperor was wondering how it is possible. He can tell very clearly. Then he narrates that a stick he had given him will not grow. But he told him the thief's stick will grow. And he gave there, and as he gave, he thought that his stick is grown. And morning he cut it 2 inches. When he came, his stick is shorter than others because fear was in him. He was frightened. And with that fear, he never noticed whether a stick is grown or it is same size. Only he was worried mentally. He could not see that growth or shortness. He just cut it. Dear children, when we do wrong, it always troubles. Our brain is only thinking on that, focused on that. We don't see other things. If he was really a clever man, he could have seen what is the height of the stick to check next day whether growth is there or not. But he did not do. Just got up and he thought it is grown up and he cut it out. That is the all brain working stops when we do wrong. When to hide one lie, we speak thousands of lies. One or other way questions are there and we are caught up. Never we can. But once we speak truth, little painful it is there, we get scolding, but everything gets alright. We don't need to speak lie anymore. But if you speak one lie, you have to say 100 times. Every moment anything happens, we have to say another lie. And we don't know last what we had said. So this is the problem happens with us when we are wrong. We try to prove ourselves just. We justify ourselves which is not correct. So we should be truthful, just, sincere, then we have no problem. This man was a big robber and in his factory only where he was working, there only he was robbing. And at the end he came to know. See how easily Birbal has found the robber. How clever he was. How cleverly he managed the whole show. So dear children, please don't speak lie. Be truthful and sincere in your dealing. Whether you study or you do any work or you help home, don't do. You may need to ask. You may get one day late or slow or sometime you may not get. But don't rob anything. Okay? So thank you children. Okay, bye. Study well. Any doubt is there, call on my number.